Hi everyone, welcome to Essie Cooks. In this video, we're going to be making 15-minute chili garlic noodles with crispy tofu on top. This is for when you need a meal that is super fast and easy, but is going to be packed full of flavor and also packed full of protein. You can add any veggies you like to this. You can customize it and make it your own. I just love how fast and easy it is. So first up, we're going to start with 1 brick of extra firm tofu. We're just going to start crumbling that into a nice little mince. So you can just use your hands to crumble that up. You don't need to press it or anything like that. We're going to cook it in the pan and all the moisture is going to come out. The whole idea with this is to just make it really fast and easy. So crumble that up just so it has a nice mince-like texture, just like this. Then to make this tofu nice and crispy, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Just put that on top. Toss it around to combine. You want to kind of toss that all over all of your crumbled up tofu. Now we're going to go ahead and start making our sauce. So we're going to put 2 tablespoons, of dark mushroom soy sauce. If you don't have that, just any dark soy sauce would work. That's going to add nice color, nice flavor. We're going to add also 2 tablespoons of tamari or soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, a tablespoon of either brown sugar or maple syrup, and a tablespoon of chili oil. So you can see the ingredients are pretty simple. We're just going to mix them together, and that is going to be our sauce. Super delicious. Now, soy sauce obviously isn't gluten-free. If you want to make this gluten-free, you'll have to switch all of the soy sauce out for just a tamari or gluten-free alternative. Now, pan on medium heat with a little oil. We're going to add that tofu and start crisping it up. This takes about 8 to 10 minutes to cook. So start with cooking your tofu right away before you start cooking your noodles, just because this is the longest part. But you can see we're lightly browning. We're crisping on the outside. That is perfect. Now we can start cooking our noodles. So we've got 4 packs of udon noodles. So this makes enough for 4 people. So if you want to make enough for 1 or 2 people, you'll just have to adjust the recipe accordingly. So I've cooked udon noodles for this. Again, if you're making it gluten-free, go for a thick rice noodle instead of the udon noodle. I'm going to go ahead and throw those noodles into a bowl. I'm going to add my sauce that I made earlier right onto the noodles, like so easy. And I'm just going to toss that up to combine it. This is going to serve 4 people. So like I said, you can adjust that if you want to make like a single serving. Just reduce everything to the amount of 1. And then I've got about 3 cloves of garlic. I'm just going to add into the tofu as well. I'm going to add half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce and half a tablespoon of just regular soy sauce. Toss that around, and that's just going to add a lot of flavor to our little tofu crumbles here. And I'm just going to mix that. That's pretty much ready to go. It's nice and crispy and delicious. You can add, like I said, any vegetables that you like to this. You can add cooked peppers, you can add some bok choy, you can add whatever you like. I would say cook that in a different pan from the tofu, because that'll prevent the tofu from getting crispy. Can top it with all of your favorite toppings, so green onions, some chili oil, some sesame seeds, I mean whatever you like. This is very versatile. It's just a fast, easy, delicious meal. Absolutely love this. Absolutely love the flavor. Like I said, you can add whatever you want to it and make it your own, and it's such a great staple for those times when you just need something really quick. You're just hungry, you want something delicious and filling, and this is the one. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this recipe and you want to see more videos like this, more quick, easy, fast, weeknight, vegan dinner recipes, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.